Guys, just pulled up to the gym and I'm gonna be hitting a sick ass arm day with Chewy. So I grabbed 2 drinks. I'm gonna give him this one because I want this one. And yeah, we're gonna have a badass arm day. Follow along. Well, look who finally pulled up. What up, bro?
Good.
Going good.
Good.
Gotta get this part on camera.
You ready?
Gotta give him some bum.
What is it?
I think that one's strawberry lemonade.
Ooh.
Yes, sir.
Dude, I'm excited.
And Chewy just got in the gym. We're gonna kill this arm day, starting off with buys. Follow along. We're gonna get started with some dumbbell curls. If Chewy can keep up, we'll see what happens. All right, guys, just finished up normal curls. Now we're gonna jump into doing hammer curls. Big guy, huh? So heavy. Just finished up hammer curls. Now we're going to move on to cable curls. I'm not retarded. Come on, do something cinematic. There you go, that looks great. Alright guys, just got these hooked up on the cable. So we're gonna be doing something similar to this. Kind of a hammer curl, but we're gonna be really exaggerating that at the top. Perfect form. Let's go, Chewy. Good squeeze. Nice, let's go. Good. Nice, dude. I'm just gonna superset this last one. Alright guys, we're just finishing up our last bicep workout, which is going to be these straight bar curls that Chewy's doing. Nice, bro, let's go. We're done here. Alright guys, that's a wrap for our bicep workouts. Now we're going to be moving on to triceps. Our first tricep workout is going to be using the dumbbells to do overhead extensions. I'm going to do single arms. Chewy's going to do double, but basically going to be hitting exactly the same thing. So. Alright guys, we just finished up with the dumbbell extensions overhead. So now we're going to be doing some body weight dips on the bench. Yeah, so that's what's next. Show them what it looks like. That's right. That's right, that's perfect. We're going to do 3 sets of those until failure, and then we'll move on to some tricep extensions.
Are you guys using your repeat? You're good.
Okay. Is this okay? To do the tricep. Alright. We just finished our body weighted dips. Now we're going to be finishing up arms with tricep extensions, which is what Chewy's doing right here. We're going to do 3 sets of those till failure, and that will be a wrap for today's arm day. Good, let's go. It's good for you.
Might as well hit it at the gym since the party out doesn't talk to you.
Doesn't respond.
Left and right.
Yeah.
Oh, you're recording.
You got it. Alright guys, that is a wrap for arm day. Me and Chewy are going to pose down and let y'all check out this fire ass pump. Stay tuned.
These are gonna look OG as fuck. Good close up here. That was a big ass chest though. Right? Yeah. Yeah, that's good, bro. One bigger thing.